We've got parts.
You are viewing a genuine Yamaha part. We have tens of thousands of Yamaha instrument parts in stock and access to even more. For a list of all the compatible instruments with which this is known to work, please visit us at mouthpieceexpress.com. If you aren't having any luck finding the part you are looking for, we can help. Simply use our contact form, and provide as much detail as you can. Mouthpiece Express has parts from the leading brands in the wind instrument industry, like Bach, Yamaha, Jupiter, King, Holton, Selmer, Conn, Getzin, Besson, Wilson and many more. We also support vintage horns. Don't forget, all of our unique custom options like 24-karat gold plating of mouthpieces, gold splash on the bell, engraving, custom finger buttons and just about anything you can think up. Share your thoughts with our team and we will come up with something spectacular for you or the instrumentalist in your life. Thanks for your interest from the team at mouthpieceexpress.com.
We've got